Today we'll talk about how can you find special offers on your Tappytoon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, you click here on more down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on special offers here. So you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find all special offers you have. Can you get it right here in this list? So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. That's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.